Have you ever wondered what happens when we close our eyes and dive into the world of dreams? And what if I told you that, within this universe, it is possible to be aware and even control what happens? Lucid dreams defy the logic of reality and reveal fascinating secrets about how our brain works. Today you will discover how this experience can change your perception of yourself and the world around you. But beware, this journey is not without risks. What happens when the line between real and imaginary begins to fade? Stay with me until the end and uncover the mysteries of consciousness while we sleep. Imagine being inside a dream and suddenly realizing that everything around you is a creation of your own mind. You look at your hands and they seem different. The scenery can change at your will. This is a lucid dream. Unlike a regular dream, this experience allows you to make decisions and explore your mind in a unique way. People around the world report that upon becoming aware within a dream, they can fly, walk through walls, and even converse with characters from their imagination. But how does this happen? Can anyone experience this phenomenon? Science has intriguing answers to these questions. Our brain never fully sleeps. While the body rests, neural activity remains intense. During a lucid dream, researchers have discovered that the prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and self-awareness, remains more active than in a regular dream. This detail is crucial. It means that the mind can reach a state of wakefulness within the dream itself. But why does this happen? Neuroscience has been exploring this phenomenon through laboratory studies where participants signal, from within their dreams, that they are aware. These discoveries not only prove the existence of lucid dreams, but also raise new questions about the nature of consciousness. Mastering the art of lucid dreaming can be a powerful tool for transforming your life. Artists and inventors report that great ideas have emerged from dreams. Imagine being able to rehearse an important speech, face a fear, or simply explore incredible landscapes without leaving your bed. Moreover, some therapies already use lucid dreams to help patients overcome traumas and phobias. This practice can also aid in developing creativity and solving complex problems. But to what extent can we truly trust the dream mind to bring us answers? And what impact does this have on our perception of reality? Not everything is wonderful in the world of lucid dreams. Some people report difficulties distinguishing the real from the imaginary after frequently practicing this skill. There are also reports of sleep paralysis, a frightening experience where a person wakes up but cannot move. Another risk is escapism. Individuals who prefer to spend more time in dreams than in real life. Like any powerful tool, lucid dreams must be used with moderation and responsibility. After all, to what extent can controlling dreams affect our waking mind? If lucid dreams have piqued your curiosity, you might be wondering, how can I experience this? There are various techniques to increase the chances of having a lucid dream. One of them is reality checking, where throughout the day, you ask yourself if you are dreaming, training your brain to do the same while sleeping. Another effective strategy is keeping a dream journal, writing down everything you remember upon waking. Meditation and visualization before sleep are also proven methods to help in this process. But remember, patience and practice are essential. Not everyone succeeds on the first try, but with dedication, anyone can achieve this state of awareness. Lucid dreams lead us to an even deeper question. What is consciousness? If we can be awake within a dream, does that mean there are different levels of perception? Some scientists believe that exploring consciousness in dreams can help us better understand the nature of the human mind. Are we merely accessing repressed memories and desires? Or are dreams a bridge to something greater, something we do not yet fully understand? The answer to this question could completely transform how we perceive reality. Lucid dreams are still a relatively new field in neuroscience, but advances in this area are promising. Researchers are developing technologies to induce this state in a more controlled way, whether through sound, visual stimuli, or even artificial intelligence. Some hypotheses suggest that, in the future, we might access our own dreams as if they were files on a computer. Could lucid dreams be used for accelerated learning, or even for treating psychological disorders? What once seemed like science fiction may be closer to reality than we imagine. Throughout this journey, we have explored lucid dreams from various perspectives, their mechanisms, benefits, and even risks. But the big question remains: what else is our mind capable of that we have yet to discover? If we can be conscious within a dream, could we expand this consciousness in our waking life? The quest for self-knowledge inevitably involves understanding our inner world. Now, it is up to you to decide. How far are you willing to go to better understand your own mind? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Your next dream could be the beginning of a great discovery. Keep exploring, learning, and believing. Your mind might be the key to transformations you can't even imagine. If you enjoyed this content and want to keep exploring the mysteries of the human mind, don't forget to like the video. Your like helps us reach more people interested in this kind of content. Share it with friends and family who might also find inspiration in this message, and leave your comment below. And of course, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next videos. We're always exploring new ideas and discoveries that can transform the way you think and live. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.